Aloha Kauai, here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Sunday, May 3rd. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21 and all have recovered or left the island. This means we have no confirmed active cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. We really want to thank our partners in the Kauai County Emergency Loan Program, which provided dozens of Kauai residents in need with emergency 0% interest loans, all in just 10 days from the opening of the program. This project was launched by the county in partnership with the Hawaii Community Foundation, Hawaii Pacific Health, and Wilcox Medical Center, along with two community development nonprofits, Hawaii Community Assets and Hawaii Community Lending. Under the program, Hawaii Community Lending provided 0% interest emergency loans of up to $5,000 to 72 Kauai households who lost income due to COVID-19. Hawaii Community Assets gave each borrower financial counseling. Bank of Hawaii opened ease accounts for those without banks so they could receive the funds. Additional private funding for the loan program came from $100,000 grant from the Chan Zuckerberg Foundation, which was leveraged with county funds to provide $275,000 in direct assistance. All that money was committed in just 10 days. Applicants who remained in the program after the money was committed will be assessed and referred to other assistance programs offered by HCA and HCL. Per the governor's continued stay-at-home order, most county offices remain closed to the public at this time. However, all offices are staffed and available to assist you over the phone or in some cases by appointment. We recommend calling ahead for assistance. As a reminder, our new temporary office during this pandemic will be Monday through Thursday, 6:45 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and closed on Fridays. For a directory of contact information for county offices, including phone numbers and email addresses, please visit www.kauai.gov/directory. There are a lot of bad haircuts on our island since the closing of barbershops and salons, and we have received requests for clarification about getting our beauticians, barbers, and cosmetologists back to work. While there is no county prohibition, the governor's statewide coronavirus proclamations do still prohibit salons from opening. We hope to get these facilities open soon, and we'll be watching for further easing of restrictions at the state level. We know some in our community want to reopen the whole economy immediately. Everyone wants things back to normal, or what a lot of people are calling the new normal. But we cannot make these decisions in a vacuum. As I've said over the past weeks, we must approach things in phases. At the county, we consult daily with local health officials, emergency management leadership, as well as with business leaders and community groups. As a reminder, although I'm mayor, we must follow the requirements of the governor, and we're working with the governor to determine which activities can be safely reopened. Any decisions to reopen will always be based on the best information about this disease, and as we have seen over the past weeks, that information adjusts and changes. We already know if we reopen too soon, the virus could get a new foothold in our community. We have seen this across the world. Places that have not enacted strict quarantines have seen dramatic levels of disease. And many places that reopened their economies too soon, like Japan and Singapore, have seen a second wave of disease that slammed their healthcare systems and has caused many deaths. Right now, we have no confirmed cases of COVID-19 on Kauai, but that does not mean the disease is not here. We're constantly balancing safety and the economy. We prioritize safety because the threat is still there. Where and when we can safely reopen, we will. But in the meantime, please know we are continually working to do what we can to safely bring low-risk activities online and mitigate higher-risk activities so those can operate again soon. We're going to get there, Kauai. To continue making forward progress, we must continue to be diligent and careful in masking, in our personal hygiene, and how we interact with one another. That means stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings and public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there. Take care of one another. God bless and aloha.